You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alright, Polly here at Sam's Club once again. Had a drink and an all-meat pizza. Little lady's got the same thing. She wanted the vegetable combination pizza. And guess what? They no longer sell the vegetable combination pizza here at Sam's Club. That's what they told me, that it's been discontinued. This is little lady's favorite pizza too. She's a little, she ain't liking that news. For being kind of, I don't know. The pizza's okay for what it is. We got some ham, pepperoni, sausage on there. I'm gonna shake some Parmesan on there. Some red pepper flakes, just a little bit. And then we're gonna get the fold. Get the fold, and then we insert and roll.
What I remember is had it all, the churros and the marshmallows.
And not bad. Let me try some more. How many pepperonis does a little lady give it? She gives it a meagle 5 pepperonis. What is a meagle 5 pepperonis? That's a pepperoni scale where you don't know what you're talking about. It's good, but it's not no 5 pepperoni scale rating. It's I give it a 2.5, and that's being very loosely with the pepperoni point. Discontinued. All right, I'm gonna finish this. Catch you all next time.